Hello everyone, and welcome to this new video. Today we have together the incredible mystery of the blue recording that was made off the South Pacific. Point Nemo is one of the furthest points from any existing civilization. We would have thought here that in 1997, a very strange phenomenon would have happened. The hydrophones of the American Oceans Monitoring Organization recorded the famous blue. One of the most mysterious sounds recorded in the depths of the ocean to date, the bloop is a sound of incredible power. Its amplitude would have allowed it to be heard within a radius of 5,000 kilometers, and for specialists, it would surely be the most powerful sound we'd ever recorded so far. Many experts and scientists will then look at the recording and will try to determine what the blue could be. Everyone who has heard this recording agrees that the sound does not fit into any known category. None of the sounds that have been recorded since human activity exists would match this famous blue. This signal could therefore come from something biological, mechanical, or even supernatural. The first hypothesis put forward by scientists would be that it is a huge mammal. Because some species of whales can produce a very high-frequency sound, which is very similar to the blue recording. Nevertheless, the intensity of the source of the blue would mean that the animal is about 100 times larger than any species of whale we know of at present. And if that means the animal is substantially larger than any species of whale we know of, it is unlikely that we have ever seen it, and that this is the only record we have of this animal. The second hypothesis will then lean towards nuclear submarines. But here again, it is impossible to say that these instruments are capable of making such a center. But again, it is impossible to affirm that it is indeed a nuclear submarine. Because the entirety of the underwater activity is known, and there was no submarine present at that time in the nitrogen. In addition, according to experts, it is very unlikely that a submarine managed to make a sound of such magnitude. Last hypothesis will then look at underwater earthquakes, but geologists will not discover any seismic fault in the area. But then, where can these mysterious are captured at the bottom of the Pacific Ocean come from? Currently, there is still no rational explanation. Some will look at very old marine legends, and people only tell once. There were giant creatures such as krakens and other monsters that roamed our oceans, and there may still be some today. Disturbing coincidence. Some would even claim that Point Nemo would correspond exactly to the location of the Tulu, a legendary sprawling monster, more than 100 meter high, imagined by the writer, Award of Craft, a great master of fantasy literature. Whatever happened since 1997, no one will have managed to identify the nature of this very strange sound, and no one will have also managed to record a new sound of this cryptic potential. Or this even stranger phenomenon. And that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to tell me in the comments, and if you have other topics that you want me to cover in my next videos. If you are interested in this kind of topic, you can also check out my other videos. You can like, share, and subscribe. It was Q Confire. Peace out.